We actually offer a 25-year manufacturer's warranty. So it's more peace of mind. You can look at a fault in a panel. If it's a manufacturer's fault, then it's covered. If you look at a fault in a panel and someone says, oh, that's an efficiency fault, you can't prove it. So where you've got a manufacturer's warranty over an efficiency warranty, it's just more peace of mind for the customer. It's a manufacturer's warranty, whereas a lot of the opposition product out there is offering a 25-year performance warranty. I don't talk about the performance warranty. It's something that unless you've got the ability to monitor your system panel by panel, you can't prove that there's a problem with the performance of panels. If we're using a panel with a 25-year warranty, an inverter with a 10 or a 12-year warranty, then the system's going to have paid for itself and they've still got warranty there. So it's peace of mind and knowing that the investment is safe.